Hello, I'm Keith Gifford. I'm a global product manager for Johnson Controls, responsible for the PENN product line and the Hitachi scroll compressor line in terms of commercialization in North America. Our ZS series scroll compressor. This is actually a horizontal oriented scroll compressor, perfect for those applications where you have limited height restrictions in the compressor compartment. We have just released a number of different models that are designed specifically for the natural refrigerant R290 or propane. These are very efficient compressors. We have them in both fixed and variable speed versions, along with the PENN VFD70 series variable speed drives to complement the variable speed compressors. In addition to their high efficiency, the compressors are very quiet compressor, not only in sound, but also in vibration. And what I tell people all the time is that it's very difficult for me to really tell you how quiet the compressors are unless you experience it for yourselves. The Hitachi compressors really complement the PENN product line. The compressor being the heart of the system, customers we know are going to need controls, pressure controls, temperature controls, pressure transducers, and other control devices to go along with their system. So by offering the compressor and all the controls to go with it, we provide more of a solution to them.